Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is first city to launch Zero Carbon Buildings Action Plan. Nagpur has become the first city in the country to take a decisive step towards sustainable development by launching Zero Carbon Buildings Action Plan or ZCBAP. The city's plan will boost building sector decarbonization, thus contributing to India's net zero by 2070 target. This plan aligns with the Climate Smart Cities Assessment Framework, India's long-term low-carbon development strategy and the Urban Outcomes Framework. Now let's discuss about Zero Carbon Buildings Action Plan. It is interwoven with India's nationally determined contributions that focus on reducing GHG emissions intensity of its GDP by 45% by 2030 from 2005 levels and on achieving the country's long-term strategy to reach net zero emissions by 2070. The plan includes a holistic roadmap covering public buildings, government-led affordable housing, commercial buildings and homes, and an implementation strategy to achieve net zero buildings citywide by 2050. The roadmap includes actions to help reduce GHG emissions in the context of choice of building materials and how buildings are designed, built, managed, and deconstructed. Now let's discuss about India's net zero by 2070 target. India at the 26th session of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is COP26 in November 2021, announced its target to achieve net zero by 2070. India's long-term low-carbon development strategy rests on 7 key transitions to low-carbon development pathways. These include low-carbon development of electricity systems consistent with development, develop an integrated, efficient and inclusive transport system, promote adaptation in urban design, energy and material efficiency in buildings, and sustainable urbanization. Promoting economy-wide decoupling of growth from emissions and development of an efficient, innovative, low-emission industrial system. Development of carbon dioxide removal and related engineering solutions. Enhancing forest and vegetation cover consistent with socio-economic and ecological considerations and economic and financial needs of low-carbon development. Now is the time for practice question. How many key transitions are outlined in India's long-term low-carbon development strategy? 5, 6, 7 or 8? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.